I just got back from the city center and I got this. I don't know what it's called, but I'm pretty sure it's Russian something. I think they put some beef and potatoes inside. I don't know what this one is, but let's try it together. It reminds me of mandu, like kunmandu, which is like fried dumplings. It's pretty good. It's savory. You know, the chak chak? Oh, it's really sweet. And I think this one is more like savory kind of pastries. It's pretty good. I was not gonna go outside today, so I only brought like gym outfits. But when I opened the curtain, I was like, I have to go out because the weather was amazing. Unlike Dubai, it was sunny and kind of windy. So yeah, I went out. I went to this, I don't know, pond, lake. There was some water. So I was just walking. And then I found this really cool restaurant. So I got shashlik, like I got the lamb kebab, and it was so good. And I think that will be my go-to restaurant from now on. It was so good. Now I have to get ready for my flight and I'm going back to Dubai. I'm glad that I went out today. It was so fun, even though I went out alone. I was gonna go out with one of the crew, but I couldn't find her phone number, so I just went out by myself. But it's fine, it was so worth it. I liked it, so I'll see you later. I just got ready for my flight and I'm ready to go back to Dubai.